Hello, you're now ready for part 4 of the portfolio. It'll look a little bit different than what we've done before with the medians of a triangle, as this is the mid-segment of a triangle, but we'll use some of the same features, some of the same buttons, and have some of the same concepts as well. Just a small wrinkle. Instead of a median, it'll be a mid-segment. With this, we'll have you draw two triangles. It is up to you whether you want to draw one triangle and follow the directions, and then draw the second triangle, follow the directions, or you can do them simultaneously. The directions are written as though they're being done simultaneously, but it's up to you which direction you want to take, one at a time or both at the same time. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to draw both triangles at the same time. So first I have selected the polygon tool, and I'm going to draw two triangles. They don't have to look anything alike. In fact, the more different they are, the better. All right, I have two triangles. Now I'm going to select the midpoint icon, the midpoint or center icon, and I'm going to draw any two midpoints on both of the triangles. Not going to draw all three. I'm only going to pick two. It's very important that you just pick two. All right, so I've got two on that first triangle. And two on that second triangle. All right, now I'm going to select the segment icon, just this one right here, and I'm going to draw the mid segment by connecting the midpoints. So now I have drawn each of my mid segments by connecting my two midpoints. Yes, there is a third midpoint on that third side for each of these, but we're only interested in drawing two of them. So now we can see one of our mid segments. If we did draw our third midpoint, then we could have drawn any of our three. But for this purpose, I just want us to have drawn two midpoints, so we have one mid segment for each one of our two triangles. All right, now we're going to use that distance measure tool. That's this one right here. It's got the arrows on the ends where it says centimeters. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to measure my mid segment by selecting the endpoints, and that side that doesn't have a midpoint on it, I'm going to measure that side as well. This is why it's important, because we want to make sure we're measuring the correct side of the triangle as well as the mid segment we've drawn. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the other triangle. I'm going to measure the mid segment, and then I'm going to measure the side of the triangle that doesn't have a midpoint on it. And there I've drawn two triangles, found a mid segment on each of those triangles. I've measured the mid segment on each of those triangles, and I've also measured one of the sides, particularly the side that we did not draw a midpoint on. Hope this helps in the videos that you've had from the Ed Puzzle recordings to help you with the questions, as well as the drawings that you have made should help you with those questions